Come on, guys, welcome back to Rest Back and also in a video. And today we'll be playing some Roblox. Hello, Roblox neighbors. It's pretty much a game where you fight in a Hello Neighbor map. And yeah, let's get into it. And I'll see you all there. So, we are here. We are popping off 10 bucks about that. I got him. And, oh. Yeah. Seems pretty fun. I recommend it. Link will be in the description always. Alright. I'm gonna have some background music, cause y'all need some. Y'all need some. Oh, this is from Alpha 2. If I touch him, I would die. This is from Alpha 1, like Alpha 2, no, Alpha 1, Alpha 2 version, cause Alpha 2 is this house where he kicks you out of. I know, I'm a Hello Neighbor geek, so y'all can shut up. And you guys can just press shift to, zoom in. Yeah, it's if you're on computer. Is there a guy up there? Get that guy really quick. Oh, freaking 10 bucks up, so long shot. Okay, there's my kill. Thank you for the kill. Hi. Bye. I'm gonna start for you guys. I'm popping off. Oh, I'm too good. Oh, that deserves the F's in the chat. Ah, crap. Oh, got him. Drained him dry. Oh, we both killed each other. This is for my family. This is for my family. Right? What in the? Watch me. Hey. Oh, okay. Hey, that's how I enjoy the music. And yeet. Oh my god, that was clean. Zoom in. Are there two of the guys? Oh, dang it. Oh, what's that? I can't shoot. Help me. Wait, this one? I can't stab it. Let's reset. Okay. Okay, I can use this with me. 360 shot ready. Last passing. 360. Oh, you lucky dog. So, bro. Bye. Thanks for the kill. Headshot him. And yeah, sure. Yeah, okay, there's the kill. Another guy. Oh! Alright, another guy down. Oh, jump over him. If what's better getting killed, let him have nowhere to run. And that's how you kill a guy. Let me get a zoom on him. Yeah. Oh! I didn't kill him that. No, I didn't kill him that time. Bye. That's gotta hurt. I don't care, I died. So, there is a new map every 10 minutes. Probably won't be able to get to the new map. Actually, wait, yeah, because we haven't played for a while. So, and then I just started recording like 5 minutes and 6 minutes into the new map. It even says, updates. It says, house changes every 10 minutes. I think this is the map that I was first on. I don't know what the maps look like. My guess is it's different alpha houses. I've played the brand new Hello Neighbor 2, the one like that grill looking thing. But something tells me we're on the Alpha 4 house. What's up? Bye! Oh, I screwed up. What's wrong? Oh! Alright. Go up here. Guys. Yay. Alright, then we're gonna go over here. Yay. Oh, loading the map. Okay. Let's make the map look slide. What the? Right, okay, so it looks like we're on the Alpha 3 map. Don't judge me. Okay, you think you're slick? Okay. Nice. Yeah, chill. When you think you're safe, but you're not. Bye. Okay, I think there's two of him. Right? Okay, yeah, there's two of the same guy. I think he has like that decoy knife. Oh my gosh. Why am I almost in there? Oh! Yeah, wasn't expecting this. Yeah, I don't think I killed him. Long shot. Yeah, this is on top right. I keep coming to explore more houses. Wait. No. You can tell what alpha it is by looking at the door. I mean, this is... Oh, damn. Okay, let's just see that. Oh crap. This is mostly my house. Yeet! Looking around. Oh! Sharpshooter. Okay, this is the Alpha 1 house where there's only one bedroom. Yeah, okay, I see. So it looks like these are all different houses from different alphas for the guy that we play as. Okay, that's cool. And obviously this is the Alpha 3 one. You can tell because the fake upstairs. Goodbye. Alpha 2. The big house, but it's actually not. And this is Alpha 4. Or wait. Yeah, Alpha 4. I had Alpha 4 downloaded on my Switch. Headshot. And I killed him. Okay. Ooh. Damn, that's gotta hurt. Quick scope. Ready? 360. I think I missed it. Alright, so quick scope this guy walking. Where's my guy at? Okay, that is. Oh, what? Okay, we're gonna last next time die in my end video. Hopefully he's not. Okay. Hopefully it's not for a while. Ow! Yeah, okay. No, one more. That's for sure. Okay, one down. No, come on, this is too short. One for back. Okay, yeah, perfect timing. Oh, no, don't hurt me. That's cool, I'm sitting up against the wall. No, these are all too short freaking rounds. What? Aimbot glitch? Yikes. Holy crap. Oh, sorry, I was good for Santa. Okay. Just go on Samuel? Did I get him? No. Keep picking him on Samuel? Not today! Damn it. Okay. Yeah, I'm ending the video off now. Alright, thank you all so much for watching this video. I will see you all in the next one. And yeah. Peace out.